Welcome to upskilling training. So this video is going to guide you on how to install and configure the following tools. So JDK JRE. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. And then the next one is going to be Git. So we're going to install Git and configure Git for our Windows machine. Git is a version control system. And then after that, we're going to install Maven. So Maven is Java-based project management tool. So we're going to install that, and then we're going to configure that as well. And after that, we're going to install IntelliJ. ID is integrated development environment. IntelliJ idea is the IDE that we are using for our Java test automation training. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the installation first for all these tools, and then after that I will configure JDK till Maven. So then after that I will configure IntelliJ, and that will be the end of this video after that. So yeah, let's get started. We go to my browser now. So here you can just do download JDK. Just do that. Once you do download JDK, so you should see a link like this, say Java SE Development Kit. So you click on it. So, and then here you should see this page. So this is the Oracle technology page. And so from the downloads tab, you navigate down to Java SE Development Kit. You make sure you come to this page, not demo version. You come to this one and you have to click on accept. So once you accept the agreement, so here you have to choose one of these two. So it depends on what operating systems you are using. So if you are using 34-bit, you need to go for this one. But if you are using a 64-bit operating system, you should go to the second one. For me, I'm using Windows 10, so I've got 64-bit on my machine. In order for you to check whether which operating system you are using, which one you should pick, you can go to your PC by going to your File Explorer. For me, if I go to my File Explorer here, so you should see this PC. You need to right-click on it. Once you right-click, you click on Properties. So there will be this page launched. So if you get this page, so you see mine is Windows 10, and you will see 64-bit operating system here. So if you got yours 64-bit, then you should choose JDK 64-bit. Okay. So so I'm gonna go back there. So you install this one. You click on it. So once you click on it, you will get this file. 1 second, because I already, downloaded this, so there's no point me download it again. So I'll just show you how it looks like. So it looks like this. You see JDK, and it just could be different version to just get that. Doesn't matter. So once you get that, you double click on it. So once you double click on it, so what you get is seconds. So what you get, so you will get something like this. Just loading. So you get something like this. So you just need to click on next. So when you click on next, then you get this page. It shows similar to this. Once that is complete, it says complete, and then you close it. So once you close it, then you can check whether your JDK is installed. So it should be in the default location. So which I'm gonna show you now. So you should see it in the programs file. So which is this one, and if you look for Java, so mine should be here. So for me, I've got two different versions. I'm expected to get one if you haven't got it before. So you should have JDK and you should have JRE for that version, whichever version you've downloaded. Okay, so and then we click on it, so you should see, similar files go installed for you, and same thing for JRE, and you should got something like this. Okay, so once you got that, then you know that you've got JDK and you've got JRE on your machine. So the next one we're gonna do is the Git. So we're gonna do Git, and to do that, so let's go to our Google, and you just say download Git for Windows. Make sure you say download Git for Windows, and then you click on enter. So once you get here, so you can choose this one, download Git. So I will expect you to be on this page. So once you get on this page, what you should do, you should click on Windows. So immediately you click on Windows, a file should be downloaded for you. And that file is gonna look like this. Seconds. So the file is gonna look like this for whichever version you've downloaded. Okay. So I'm using 64-bit. If you are using 34-bit, and you can select 34 bits after this page. So as you can see, different versions there. Okay. So so you follow the process. So once the download files downloaded, you will see this file. So you double click on it. So what you're gonna see next is what I'm gonna show you now. So you should see this page, for security, like a security warning. You might see, you might not see. So if you see, just click on run. And if you click on run, you get the next page. So you should see the default editor used by Git. Some people will choose this one, which is a nano editor. It's easier. But you can decide to choose this beam. So good, whichever one you choose from the two, doesn't matter. Okay. You click on next. And here as well, so you choose the your path environment. So you can choose this one so that you have ability to use Unix commands, or you can choose use Git from the Windows command prompt, you can choose this one. So it's up to you. So once you choose your desired options, then you click on next, and then you got this page, and you can choose this one as well. Use Windows default console Windows, and you click on next. So once you click on next, you get the next page similar to this, and here you can enable this as well as you see here. And then so you click on the install. So once you install, then you should it should install successfully for you. Okay, and okay, cool. So once your Git is installed successfully, you should go and verify that. So for me, if I go to Windows, you go to your file explorer and you come to Windows. For me, it should be in program files. Not this one. Yeah, this one. So program files. So here you will see Git. So you just click on Git. So you should see this list of files, folders are installed for you. So if you don't see here, and you can check the other program files, which is 34-bit, this one, so you can check and you should see it there. So one of them should have it once your Git is successfully installed. Okay, cool. So the next one is gonna be Maven. So I'm gonna go to Maven page and download Maven. Okay, so go to your Google again, and here just click download Maven for Windows. Okay, so you come to here, so you should click on the download Apache Maven. Okay, so you click on it. So you should come to this page. Make sure you're on this page, Apache Maven project. Okay, so you then navigate out. You see different links here where you see link. So what I want you to download is this one. So SRC zip. Okay, you click on that. So once you click on this, a zip file will be downloaded for you. Okay, you downloaded a zip file. So how it's gonna look like? So this is how it's gonna look like. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. Apache maybe in 3.6.2 SRC is mine. Yours could be, I don't know, whenever you are installing, you should get this, you know, maybe the versions increased or whatever. But yeah, it should look like this. Okay, get zip file, then you need to unzip it. So if you haven't unzip or zip program on your machine already, so for me, I've got WinRAR. You can download that, install it if you haven't got it. But if you got any zip, you know, unzip program that can do that for you, it's fine as long as you unzip it. So for me, you could just, you know, extract those files to the location you want. So probably you create that location in your Windows folder. So for me, I created this Maven folder. You can create the same thing and extract that Maven zip file to these locations. Just have it in these locations, just extract it. That's what you need to do for Maven. Okay, so you have it here. Okay, cool. So once you have it, so that's for Maven. So the next thing we're going to do now is the IntelliJ idea. So what you're gonna do, you go back to your Google again. So you just say download IntelliJ idea community edition. That's what we're gonna, community edition is what I would advise you to go for. So once you get that this link, say download IntelliJ idea, So you click on it. So it's always JetBrains company that behind this. So you click on that. So I will expect you to be on this page. So once you get on this page, you click on this download. Okay, you click on this download. So once you click on this download, IntelliJ file or executable file should be downloaded for you. So it's going to look like this. So it's going to look like this. IDEA IC 2019. This is as at the time which I downloaded this. So you will see it's like this. Okay. So once you get this file, you double click on it to install it to your machine. So once you double click on it, so the process I will expect you to see next is this. So I will expect you to see similar to this page saying welcome to the IntelliJ Community Edition. So you click on next. Okay, so when you click on next, it will ask you to choose the location where you want your IntelliJ to be installed. So you can decide to choose the location you want, but for me, it doesn't matter. So you can just go with this default location. So then you click on next. So here as well, you can choose which programs structure which you want your IntelliJ to be. You can put here in the default programs menu, and you click on install. So you get a similar page like this, where you can click on create desktop shortcut for you, which is fine. So it's easier for you to launch your IntelliJ whenever you want to. And you can also click on this Java. So you click on it, you click on next. You just follow the instruction to go to the next page. So you can decide to run your IntelliJ computation as soon as it's finished. So you click on the finish, and you might get this page as well asking you whether you want to import the existing settings. So let's say maybe you probably have IntelliJ before, and you want to just use the same settings, you can import that. So, but if you never go IntelliJ before, then you will be choosing this one. I do not have a previous version of IntelliJ IDEA, so then you click on OK. So once you click on OK, I will expect you to get something similar to this page where it's asking you to choose tools that you want to be installed as part of your IntelliJ. There are several tools that you will need, but I would say go for the default one for now. So you just choose keep remaining and set defaults. So later I will do another video where we can tell you what plugins, what tools you need as part of you need to install as part of your IntelliJ IDEA, so we can, in order for us to work with test automation properly. So yeah, choose as keep remaining and set default option here. So once you click on that, you click on next. So click on next, you might get this page about security alert. Just click on allow access, and then that's it really. So, and I mean, you might also see a page like this, which is set UI theme. So it's just theme how you want your IntelliJ to look like, in terms of the visual view. Some people like the darker one, which is just make it dark, or some people like to have it light, like a white background and all that. So it's up to you. you can choose whichever one you want between the two. So, and so that's it. You can then go and launch your IntelliJ. So for me, I have it on my desktop. So so I can click and launch IntelliJ. Once your installation is completed, then launch your IntelliJ to see if everything is fine. So now I'm launching mine now. So, I mean, this is what you get once your IntelliJ is installed. So you get this page. It should look like this, and sometimes IntelliJ prompts you to give you some tip. Like a shortcut where you can use, with IntelliJ, so you can click next to see all those things if you want to, or if you don't want to, just click on close, right? And that's it. So that's for the installation. We've installed all the tools that we mentioned. Now let's start configure these tools one after the other. Okay, so the first one we're gonna do is the JDK. Okay, so what I want you to do is you go to your file explorer. So your file, this is a file explorer, right? So you go to where your JDK is installed. So mine is installed on program files, which is this one. So you see my Java here, and I've got my JDK 1.8. Yeah, so it's here. That's fine. Cool. So the next thing that I want you to do is you go to your PC, this PC, whatever yours. I don't know, could be PC as well. So if you are using Windows 10, I expect yours to be PC. So you right click on it. So once you right click on, you go to properties. It's just the way you checked which operating system you're using. So you come to this page, okay? Come to this page. So what you need to do, you navigate to advanced system settings. Click on advanced system settings. So once you click it, you get this dialog, okay? So once you get this dialog, what I want you to do is to click on environment variables. So because what we want to do is to configure JDK on environment variables, okay? So you click on it. So you have two sections here. So you have one user variables, which is for me. Whatever I configure here is just going to be accessible by me, that user. We don't want to do that. So what we want to do, we want to make it accessible everywhere on the system. So I will say you navigate to system variables. Okay. So once you are in the system variables, so what I want you to do is to create a Java home. I already created mine, but what you're gonna do once you are here, which is to click on new. Okay. So when you click on new, write Java home. Put Java home here. Once you put Java home, so what you're going to do, you go back to your file explorer, okay? So you go back to your file explorer, which we already opened this. So file explorer is here. So you go to your Windows C drive and you go to your the program files. Okay, because where your Java is, that's where I'm going again. So you go to your JDK. So JDK is your home. JDK 1.8 is your Java home. Yeah. So you're just gonna you click on this, you highlight them. So once you highlight, you copy. You can right click and copy. So you copy this location. You go back to your environment variables and you paste that location here. You paste it. So that's your Java home. Okay, variable value. So you paste it. So I already done it. So you can see I'm not going to do OK again. I'll just, you should click OK so that you have it. For me, I'll just click on cancel because I already have it. This is mine. Okay. So the next thing you're going to do here is to set the path. So you look for the path. Okay. You click on the path. So, excuse me. So once you click on the path, you go back to your JDK location. Now you click on the bin. Okay, you click on the bin folder. Okay, you click on that text box again. You highlight it and you copy that location again. Okay, so once you click on that location, so what you're going to do here is to click on new again. Okay, you click on new, then you paste it here. I already had it there, so I'm not gonna do it again. So you just do yours. Once you paste it there, you click OK. All right. So that's it for the JDK. So once you've done that, you will see it like this. Because mine is already there. So mine is here. Okay, it's already there. So you should make sure that yours is also there as well. So once you've done that, then the next one is to do the Git. Okay, so we need to configure Git as well. Okay, so you do the same thing you're gonna do. Okay, so you go back to your program files where your Git is installed. Mine is in the program files and is called Git. There's a Git folder here. You click on it. So you do the same thing. You copy Git's home. So if we come to the environment variable, so here probably see so for Git, you don't need the home. What you need to is the path. Okay, you click on the path and you look for you create. Okay, so for me it's already there somewhere. So what you need to do is do the same thing by clicking on new. So once you click on new, you go back to your Git location, and here you click on the bin folder. Okay, so you then click on the text box, you copy it. Okay, and you go back to the environment variables. So here, so what you need to do is to click on new and you paste it. Okay, so once you paste it like this, is there. So as you can see, mine is here. So I'm not going to do that again, so I'll just click on cancel. Okay, so the next one, yeah, is Maven. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing for Maven in configuration. Okay, so we're going to go back to the program files. So go back to your Windows C drive. I know mine is here somewhere. Okay, Maven. Okay, this is Maven. Okay, so you have your Maven here. You click on it and you copy this page, this link or whatever you call it, location. So you copy it. You go back to your environment variable here. So you create the same. For me, I've got Maven home. So for you as well, you do the same thing. You create the same Maven home. Okay. So you then paste that location here. Okay. You click on OK. Yeah. That's it. So you will have your Maven home here. Okay. So the next thing you're gonna do is the bin location. You have to configure in path. So you click on the path again, do the same thing, and you go back to the Maven location. You click on the bin, and you click on the text box. You copy the location, okay, and you come back to your environment variable, okay. So you click on new and you paste it there, okay. I already have mine there, okay. Let's say I don't need to do that again, as I said. Then you click on OK. So once you've done that, you click on OK to apply your changes, and then you click on OK. Okay. So we have what we've done. We have configured JDK. We have configured Git. We have configured Maven. So let's double check this. Let's check whether they have actually configured. Okay. What you're gonna do is to go to your CMD. So like your command prompt terminal. So you just search, just do run, say, or just do CMD. So once you do your CMD, you should have this. So yeah, I'm in this location. So if you do Java Maven version, so do Java Maven version, then you click on enter. So you should see your Java version that you've installed and configured. You should see like this appear. If you don't see like this, then you have problem. Okay, so that means Java is installed. Okay, so we should check for Git. Let's see whether the Git is using this Git version or no. So to Git command. So don't worry, is no, doesn't know that. Use a Git version. Okay, let's do Git. Okay, get. So it's double Maven. Yep. So once you do that, then you know that you've got Git installed on your Windows machine. Okay. So the next thing you're going to check is the Maven. So let's see whether Maven is installed and configured for us successfully. So you do MVN Maven version. Okay, and you type or click on enter. So you should have this saying Apache Maven 3.5.4 installed, and you should get this information displayed for you. Okay, so with this, we have successfully installed and configured JDK, Git, Maven. Okay, so now let's go to our IntelliJ and configure things on our IntelliJ. See that our IntelliJ is installed and ready to be used for our code execution. Okay, so we go back to my IntelliJ. Okay, so this is IntelliJ. So the first thing I want you to do here is to actually see, I mean, configure JDK with IntelliJ. Okay, so you go to your file. Okay, so once you get to your file, you go to project structure. Okay, project structure. So you click on that. So you get this page. So what you should do, you should make sure you navigate to SDK, which I'm already there. SDK, you're on the SDK. So you get this page. So what you're gonna do, because I already launched mine before, so my JDK is already located in my IntelliJ. So for you, you might not see it straight away. You might see it. So if you don't see your JDK here, So what you just need to do is to click on this, and you go to the location of your JDK. Okay, so mine is here somewhere. Is it Java? And here it is. Okay, it's the same thing here. So you also click on it and then you click OK. Okay, so once you click OK, so you should see this class path just displayed for you. Okay, so once you see that, so we're good. Okay, so then you click on OK button, right? So the next thing I will want you to do here is to click on File, right? So I want to create a new Maven project just to test our IntelliJ. Okay, so you click on File and you click on Project. Okay, so once you click on Project, so you get this dialog, New Project. So I would like you to choose Maven. Yeah, Maven project. So maybe project, I will expect your JDK to be recognized here. So what you're gonna do is to click on next. Okay, so you have group ID and you have artifact ID. So just name it what you like. So we can name the group ID saying testing IntelliJ. Okay, you can say IntelliJ demo. Okay, IntelliJ demo. Okay, so we then just leave this 1.0 snapshot as is. Just leave it. Just click on next. Once you click on next, so for me, I've already got a project in this location, so you recognize it straight away. So you can choose the location where you want your project to be located. So by going here and then you choose the the directory or whatever folder you want. For me, so I would like mine to be here. So what you just need to do is to click on finish. This project does not exist. The directory does not exist. We created by the. That's fine. You create it for me. Okay. So you might get this saying new project can either be open in a new window or replace the project in existing window. So yes, I want to replace this, right? I want this new project to use the same page, this window, right? So click on this window and I will expect a new Maven project to be created. Okay, so this is what you would see. So you see this page. This is a POM page. Is pom.xml file. So so you come to your project name. This is your project name. Remember. So you click on, you expand that. So you should see these folders. So what I want you to do is to go to SRC folder. So you expand that. You should see main folder and you should see test folder. Okay. I want you to expand main. So in the main, you should see Java and you should see resources. Okay. Here, I would like you to right click on Java and I would like you to click on the new and click on the Java class. Okay, so just follow this. Don't worry, just follow it. Just say sample sample code, for example. So it's a class. Just give it capital sample code. Okay. And then you just click OK, right? So you should see this page, like class created for you. Okay. So in this class, just to write some simple code saying public static void main. Okay, you can just follow that, write the same thing, and just to test your IntelliJ. And here just say string and just say args and square bracket. Once you've done that, here I'm just want to print something out. I'll run this code, I print it out. Okay, so this system dot out dot print. Okay, so here I'll just say hello world. Just replicate the same thing, say hello world. And excuse me. So once you've done that, what I want you to do is just right click on that. Once you right click on that, you click on run sample code main. Okay. So once you click on that, we'll expect that to get executed. So it's building, as you can see, it's building that project, it's building, and I'll just expect it to run. Okay. So if you look at here on your down here on your console, you will see hello world. So you just see here run. So when you click run, you get this tab, say run, and you will see whatever the code you put here, you will see displayed on your console. That's what we printed out. That means your IntelliJ is working. Okay, cool. The next thing I want you to check here is the Git, whether your Git is actually integrated with IntelliJ as well. So we know that you have Git on your machine. We've tested that, so we want to test it on IntelliJ that your Git is also working with IntelliJ. So what I want to show you, navigate to this tab called terminal. Okay, click on that. So when you click on that, it's automatically point you to the location where your project is reside. Okay, so here what I want you to do is to type git status. Just do git status. Okay, you click enter. So you should see, I see error here, right? Kind of message saying Git repository is not recognized, like not a Git repository, right? So that's fine. It's because it's a new project and that new project doesn't recognize Git. It's not recognized. So let's make it recognize Git. Okay. So two ways to do this. You can do it from here, or you go to the location where that file is and use git bash to do it. So let's do that quickly. So you navigate, come to the project here, right click on it, and so you copy, go to copy path. So when you copy that location like that, so just the same as this. Go to your file directory again, anywhere in your file directory. Click on this text box and paste that location there. So once you paste it, you click enter. Okay, it takes you to that location where your new projects are reside. So what I want you to do is to right click on it. So when you right click on it, I will expect you to see these two Git options. So Git JUI, don't click on that. Click on Git bash. I want you to click on Git bash here. Okay, I will expect you to get this terminal. Okay, this terminal. Okay, so in this terminal, you just need to do what I'm doing now. Say git in it. Just that. It's a command, it's a git command. Yeah. We're gonna learn about basic git command in the future during the training. But for now, just do what I'm doing, right? So once you do this git init, just click enter. Okay. Now, as you can see, say initialize empty git repository. So we've initialized a git repository on this project in our local machine. Okay, as you can see, we've got master. So if I go back to my IntelliJ now, and saying git status again, the one I did earlier, to see what files I've got here, so to know whether my IntelliJ is actually interacting with Git. So you just do enter. So now we got different results. Okay. So now I get on branch master, no commit yet. On track files, these are on track files. So it means these files are new files that Git just recognized. Okay, just leave it like that. That's what I want. If you get to this stage, bam, you are good to go. You are doing wonderful. But don't worry if you don't get to this stage. Don't worry. Just figure out what you've done. Maybe go back to all those previous steps and go and check whether you've done it correctly. So if you're still having problem, just let us know. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye.